Last week, I was in Oxford, England at SMRRF, the Sanjay Mortimer Rep Festival, where we were raising money for the Sanjay Mortimer Foundation. We were at Oxford University, and folks, this place just looked straight up out of Harry Potter to me. It was absolutely gorgeous. Look at these ceilings. We were in the examination halls, and the woodwork, it was just beautiful. There were these paintings that, yeah, they were huge, but it was just like any other RepRap festival. We had 3DQF, a filament company that laser cut their filament spools, and they had special spools just for SMRRF. Now look at this beautiful snow globe by Polymaker, and of course, here are all their filaments. Can you believe they have this many colors? Yeah. Of course, there's Coca Press with Ellie. 3D chocolate printing, check it out. Now this is the UK Droid Builders. I have never seen so many amazing droids that look straight out of Star Wars. Prussia was there, and here's that XL printer that I'm really loving. Now at every one of these RepRap festivals, there's always some really cool designers. Look at these vase mode models that are these gorgeous lamps. And this thing right here was printed with a printer that prints on the wall, going up. And this is James Broughton from X Robots, and he's the designer behind BB-8, and he had some amazing stuff. And I finally got to meet 3D Print Bunny, who came all the way from Australia, who was just as lovely as all her models. Folks, if you get a chance to come to the Sanjay Mortimer RepRap Festival next year, do it.